Hello guys, this is Sebastian Luz from the Real 3G Studios, and today I'm gonna show you the basic Wi-Fi local multiplayer asset. So let's see how it works, how you can use it. So let's start it. I have multiples. I have a lot of samples here to you use it to you enjoy with your friends or develop your all game, alright, your all co-op game or multiplayer, local multiplayer game. It's not we not use internet, alright, we just use Wi-Fi or hotspot. For example, works in PCs, mobile, Android, iOS, VR, AR. You can use anything you want, right? We have a full description here, full source code, cross-platform, optimized UDP, ready for VR, AR, mobile friendly. So let's see how it works. We have here the documentation. This is the 9.0 version of the asset, right? Let's see. I implement a lot of things, cool things here to use it. So let's see it. What's this asset? This unit asset lets you build a local multiplayer games using Wi-Fi, right? No internet required. It uses UDP, a fast, light way to send messages between devices, right? You can use it to make shooters games, pool games, survival co-op games, turn-based games, anything multiplayer over LAN, right? Works in LAN too. You don't need necessarily use Wi-Fi, right? So you can use the local network if you want. So in the projects folder you have a lot of samples. We have the pool sample, 2D shooter, survival, tic-tac-toe tutorial, ping sample. Yeah, I show you later these samples. So let's see more things. How does it works? This asset includes a script called UDP component. This script can act as a class or a server, depending on how you use it. The client connects the server and send and receive messages, right? The server listens for messages from the client and responds or in broadcast if needed, right? You don't need any external server software, right? You don't need it. You don't need cloud servers. You don't need nothing. The server runs inside your mobile phone or PC, right? The servers, you don't need host game, for example, Amazon, AWS. You don't need it, right? No, in this case you don't need it, right? Let's see it. Let's break it down step by step, right? The client side, how it works. First, you need to connect the client to the server, right? To do that, you can use the UDP client.connect, right? You send the server IP, server port, you define it, and the client port, right? The second part, you need to send message to the server, for example. To do that, you can use the UDP client image to server. So you use the first parameter here is ID, right? The callback name, for example, in this case is ping, and the second parameter is the message. For example, I send the string ping, for example, to the server. The server and the listen in also in the client. We need to listen the server message or the server response, right? To do that, you can use the UDP client.on to listen the server. You use the ID, the server is sent to this ID, and the server and callback function here. This is a function, right? And here we have the implementation for in the function implementation, right? And here run receive pong, you just debug.log, server says data.pack1. To send message, we send the JSON package, right? We have the package here. In one, we have the string, the server's response, for example. Also in the server side, we have some methods here. The first method you have is the start to start the server, right? To do that, we use the UDP client.start server, right? To listen client's message, we use to UDP client.on. The sum method we use here to listen the server, we use the sum method to listen the server too, right? We use on. We have ID, and second parameter is a function to treat the message from the client. For example, here we send the ping, and this function will treat the message, right? And here we have the function on receive ping, this some function here, and here we convert, we just send another message for the client, but in data we have this message here, right? We have this message here in data. If you want to do something with that, you can do it. So to send it to the client another message, we convert to bytes and get the string, and send it to the client using UDP client to emit to client, right? If you want to send to a lot of clients, for example, in broadcasts, we can do it using for each, with for each in the connect client, and emit to the any client identified for remote EP, right? Remote EP right here. So this is it. The samples included in this project, we have the amazing push sample. We have a 2D shooter, top-down shooter in the cyberpunk city. We have a survival sample here. This is a co-op game where you can defeat orders of paladins. I show you this. We have the tic-tac-toe turn-based game with a state sync. We have the tutorial sample. We have the ping pong sample where we just send the ping to the server and receive pong from client. We send to the server the ping and receive pong from the server. Right? Let's break down the samples here. The first sample I'm gonna show you is the 2D shooter. This is sample right here. Right. Let's join. Right, we have the two simple 2D sample where you can shoot in your friends, right? It's mobile version. Also, we have the PC version too. So let's try the gang fire sample here. I just play it. Right, you can create a new game. We can join game. We can choose character. For example, I choose this. This new game starts. The server is running, so you can fight, jump, punch and kick and punch, right? We have another sample here, the ping pong. This is very simple. We just send the ping message to the server, for example. Let's try it. We need to start server is running, and send ping. Receive pong from server. The server just send the pong to the client. The client send the ping to the server, right? It's very easy to use. Let's see the push sample here. Let's open. Let's try it. We have just play it. We wait for another player here. Well, I don't have another player with me right here, but you can try it with your friends. We have a lot. And for the survival sample here is my favorite, right? This is a co-op game where you need to confront of orders of the paladins, for example. Let's try it. You can choose the white wizard and the blue wizard. You can choose. We have the store here. You can buy it. Items here. You can buy it. I don't have money enough. We have another item here. You can buy it. Let's play co-op Wi-Fi. Let's see it. This mobile version, right? You can shoot, you can play with your friends. I'm playing PC. Right, alright. It's not easy to play in this version of PC. I can't. Right, it's very fun to play it. If you have a friend to play it, try it. Right, game over. Results here. I kill one paladin here, level 1, 0 gold. You can try it. I have this in the Google Play Store, right, and PC too. If you can try it if you want. This is it. If you have any question, you can contact me, right? You can send me an email to the Real 3D Studios @gmail.com, or our website. We have our website. It's real3dstudios.com. Also, you have the tutorials available on our YouTube channel, right? So this is it. Any question, you can. We have a community on Discord too. You can see in the Unityset store page. Join on our community. So this is it. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next time. Thank you guys. Keep developing, keep running. Let's do it. Thank you. I see you in the next time. Bye bye.